This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 6099. It is in new condition. Mileage is under 200. The chassis is a new 2021 Ford E450 with 158-inch wheelbase. It is a 2-wheel drive. And it has a V8 7.3 liter gasoline engine. The overall length is 266 inches. The overall height is 107 1/2 inch, and the headroom is 72 inches. It is a McCoy Miller module. It has new paint, new rotary latches, new paddle latches, new gaskets, a new wheel siren and speakers, new wheel LED lights, exterior and interior. It has a new trip light inverter and charger. It also has a new HVAC system. The body configuration is left front oxygen. Has a universal bracket. L number 2. Houses the inverter. Also has a container for hazmat and waste and an adjustable shelf. It has a slide out wheel well drawer. L number 3 has inside and outside access, one adjustable shelf, and another could be added if desired. Unit has all new rub rails, new fenderettes, new aluminum diamond plate running boards, new aluminum diamond plate all around, and a new aluminum diamond plate bumper with flip up step. The load height is 32 1/4 inch without any cargo. The interior configuration is left side attendant seat with storage behind, below, and above. It has forward and aft action areas. It is a Type 3 unit with a walk-through configuration. It has a hinged door to close off the cab compartment from the rear compartment. It has a new console and a new switch panel, new siren, place to mount radios, place for beverages and also documents. The power distribution quarters is directly behind the attendant seat. Squad bench has storage underneath with flip up deck, 110 volt outlet at the head, hazmat and sharps. The ALS cabinet has several adjustable shelves, also has inside and outside access. As mentioned before, it has a new HVAC system. R number 3 is for backboard storage. It has 2 dividers. It also has a smaller storage compartment adjacent. Right front compartment, R number 1, is the ALS. Has inside-outside access. It has 1 battery in the battery storage compartment and 1 under hood. If you have questions or would like more information on truck number 6099, please call 1-833-REMOUNT, REMOUNT, or visit our website at www.remount.com. www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.